Hello.
Hello, Evas.
Hello,
How are
yes,
you?
thank you.
Welcome to our company.
Thank you so
Long time.
much. Thank you so
So it's
much.
your second time here, right?
Yes, I looked for a good alarm system, and anybody introduce your alarm system to me.
Yeah.
That I wanted to explain to me about your product.
Yeah.
If you want.
Actually, famous Focus, our brand Focus, is a very famous brand in alarm systems because we have 30 years in this alarm industry. Yeah.
Good.
And our founder, Mr. P, he used to be work in Honeywell, China as R&D engineer. So actually you can have a very good technical guarantee while working with us.
Without another moment, I want to see that.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Come with me.
Thank you.
Actually, I want to recommend you our bestsellers like 7668 Pro alarm systems. As you mentioned that you want to look for alarm systems with many zones, right?
Yes, I looked for that.
Actually, these devices, these alarm systems, you can have 512 zones total.
Wireless zoom, you mean?
Yeah, actually on board you can see we have 16 on board wire and 32 wireless. And you can use the expander, so total 512 zones. So it's already good solutions for if you have the big house or villa or any big buildings. I think it's good for that.
It's so good. How many partition can be used in your alarm system?
Wow, that's a good question. We have eight partitions.
8 partitions.
Yeah, and
for example, in this we can 6 zone wired zone in one partition, and 4 wired zone another partition.
Yeah.
And another thing else, we can use another partition.
Right. Actually, you can assign any zones into one partitions. Right. For example, a house, you can have your balcony or room. You can organize this in one partition. So each partition can be armed and disarmed separately.
Can control separately?
Yeah, of course.
Mean, for example, we have 8 flow.
Yeah.
Any flow can control their zoom, their partition separately, and another one cannot control this.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, you can set different privilege for different partitions, right? You can buy the remote and buy the app or keypad. You can define to different partitions. Yeah.
It's so incredible.
Yeah. So actually, I know that we have some other alarm systems in the market. They may have 4 partitions, right? But we have the 8, right?
It's good. And what about your frequency?
Frequency. Actually, for frequency, we have 433 and 868, 2 different frequencies.
868.
Yeah.
It's good. And I want to talk about that. In our country, we have some alarm system.
Yeah.
When your wireless sensor battery come down, send message to you and change this battery.
Yeah.
Do you have this function?
Of course.
Really?
This is called a low battery warning.
Yes.
Yeah. For low battery warning, you can receive by push notification and also SNS. Yeah, if you connect to the CNS by the central monitor station, you can also got this notification. Yeah.
Good. As you know, the thief is one step are ahead of engineers.
Yeah.
And they know some way can deactivate wireless sensor in any alarm system. Do you have some solution in your device, or you don't have solution for that?
Yeah, actually you ask a very good question. This is a loophole for wireless solution, right?
Yes.
The thief easily they use a jamming, so actually they can cut the communication between the sensors and the panels, right?
With the same frequency can
Yeah.
that.
That's why we have a solution. we use a technology called FSK, two-way communications. So from the sensors to the panels is two-way, and 3 different frequencies.
3 frequencies?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
This function belongs to a sensor or belongs to alarm system?
Both sensors and alarm systems, they support 3 different frequencies. For example, the central frequency is A6A. So you can have another frequency called A70 plus 2, right?
Yes.
And another one is A72. So you have 3 different frequencies. Once they cut one frequency, if you switch to another frequency automatically. Because at each time the sensors send to the panels will send the acknowledge, we call the ACK signals, to the sensors. So once the sensors recognize this, it will stop sending.
Yes.
But if it didn't receive these ACK signals, okay, maybe this is cut. So it will switch to another frequency to send again.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. It's so credible.
Yeah.
And next question is, because in our country we usually use 315 and 433, and our frequency is around that number.
Yeah, sure.
Can set to your panel, or especially we use your product for your alarm system?
Because actually we have different frequency for option. Just I told you is the A6A. We also have the 433. 433 is the same, right? You have the 433 and plus 2, 435.
Yes.
Another is 437, right? My math good?
Yeah. You have this function in the our frequency.
Yeah.
But my question was, can we connect and set 433 simple in another brand to your alarm system, or no? And if we do it, can support this function or no?
Actually, you asked a very good question. That's why our product is safe, because we are not compatible with other brand wireless products. So you cannot use other brand like remote to control our alarm systems, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I visit any factory in all of the world because my main work, especially, is alarm system.
Yeah.
When I ask this question about this problem and solution for them, even they didn't have idea about that. And
right.
you made me amazed. You recognize this problem, and you make many solutions for that.
Yeah.
How you do this? How you recognize this problem?
Yeah. Actually, as I told you that we are in this industry 30 years. We meet a lot of problems.
30 years.
Yeah. And actually, I tell you, 80% of our customers have been working with us more than 10 years. So we are keeping growing up together, like a baby adult person, right? So you will meet different problems. So each time they feedback us that they have a problem, right? Because we're making the products, maybe we don't have the problems. So each time they feedback us, so we made the improve. So actually, thanks to the customers, we get a lot of valuable feedback to improve our products, right?
And if I to be honest, I can say this is my pleasure for know your company, because when I ask any question, maybe you recognize that 10 years ago that and you made me amazed for that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your feedback.
Your company. Thank you so much for your research and development.
Thank you. Thank you for your trust.
Thank you.